Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The degree of hydration of a carbonyl compound, ketone, to form a gemdiol depends on the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. More electron-withdrawing groups attached to the carbonyl carbon increase its electrophilicity, making it more susceptible to nucleophilic attack by water. Moving on to the next step. Identify the groups attached to the carbonyl carbon in each option. A. CF3, co-CF3, 2 trifluoromethyl groups, CF3, which are strongly electron-withdrawing due to 3 fluorine atoms each. B. CH3, co-CH3, 2 methyl groups, which are electron-donating. C. CH3CH, Cl, co-CH3, 1 chloromethyl group, electron-withdrawing, and 1 methyl group, electron-donating. D. C6H5, co-C6H5, 2 phenyl groups, which are electron-donating via resonance, lone pair donation into carbonyl, and also provide steric hindrance. Moving on to the next step. Rank electrophilicity of carbonyl carbon. In A, 2 CF3 groups withdraw electron density strongly from the carbonyl carbon through inductive effect, making it the most electrophilic. In C, 1 Cl-bearing carbon provides moderate electron withdrawal. In B, 2 methyl groups donate electrons, reducing electrophilicity. In D, 2 phenyl groups donate electrons via resonance and provide steric bulk, minimizing hydration. And for the final step, conclude which undergoes maximum hydration. Option A, CF3, co-CF3, hexafluoroacetone, has the most electrophilic carbonyl carbon due to the strong I effect of 2 CF3 groups. In fact, hexafluoroacetone is known to be nearly completely hydrated in water greater than 99%, forming the stable gemdiol, hexafluoroacetone hydrate. Why other options fail? B. Acetone is only slightly hydrated, 0.1%, because methyl groups donate electrons. C. Has only one moderately electron-withdrawing group, less effective than 2 CF3 groups. D. Benzophenone shows very little hydration due to resonance donation by phenyl groups and steric hindrance. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.